So I'm gonna cook some fried chicken today. Some nice fried chicken. Me raise the chicken, them fresh chicken. I'm gonna cook some of it today. There on the river, you know, a whole a nice bed in the river. Because the river nice and pretty, so you know, so the water good. Yeah. Because I love the river and the river nice. So I take a truck off in the river and whole a bay, I just feel cool and nice. So that I love about the river thing. So my global fans of the world, Melissa have passed it and have damaged my farm very badly. But I'm still living. And this is my fall coop. I was wondering if Melissa was going to lick it down and kill all my chicken because I have some big ones and some little ones. And my fall coop survived throughout the storm of Melissa. As you can see, there's a coconut tree drop on it. All the bush are looking wild because the storm has really disastered them and was fighting them really bad and beat them up. Here's a tree near it, near my fall coop, same way. Mash it up bad, bad, bad. This is a sour orange tree, mash it up bad. And the whole of my farm mash up bad. Melissa has torn the place apart and mash it up really bad. Really, really bad Melissa have gone. Really, really bad. I mash up all my farm. All my bananas and plantains are falling to the ground. This is a coconut tree right here, Melissa. Lick it right down to the ground and there's lots of jelly and coconuts on it. Up in the hills, Melissa mash up the whole place, the whole of my farm. These are my two nice, lovely doggies that my subscriber has donated the food for. And they will be loving the food. One named Lion, one named Pride. Darker brown one named Lion. The bright brown one, his name is Pride. And for Lion, I like to say, Lion will keep on praising Alice last year from saying, and for Pride, I like to say we have nothing to hide. So they are nice doggies, they are happy. And they are nice doggies, and I love them very much. This is a big bag of dog food that one of my subscribers has donated to me. It's a 43-pound bag of dog food, and thanks to my subscriber who donated this dog food to me. It's a nice big bag of dog food. It's called Hero, and it's 43 pounds of dog food. So my dogs will be more happy for the food, and I give thanks to my subscriber who donated this food. I will be giving my doggies some of the food that my subscriber has donated to me right now. Finish. That big tree where you can see up there, the root of it, it dropped into my house and mash up piece of my bathroom. That is it. That is the tree that dropped in my house and mash up piece of my bathroom. Clean, clean, clean. As you can see the zinc, and that's my house where the tree lick a piece of my bathroom. It named Wango tree. Mash up the whole of my house. Mash up piece of my house, not the whole of it, but piece of it mash up. Big, big monster tree drop and lick a piece of my bathroom.